Martini glasses, yep, they're fantastic for cocktails, but I also like to use them to present dishes, just like this one. This is my salmon tartare with avocado and crème fraîche dressing. So in a bowl, we'll start with our crème fraîche dressing. A few tablespoons of the crème fraîche goes in. I love the tang of it, and it goes so well with the salmon. To this, I'll add the zest of some of this lemon, and we can use the rest of this lemon to garnish. A good pinch of salt, and just to give it a bit of a kick, some Tabasco. Give that a really quick stir, just to loosen up that crème fraîche. Okay, in this bowl I have some sashimi style salmon. You can see how lean it is. I've just finely chopped it. It's a really good idea to ensure that your salmon is super cold when you dice it, so you get these gorgeous little fine pieces. To this I'll add some briny baby capers, 2 teaspoons, and I like the crunch of a French shallot. So we'll add 1 whole French shallot. Some avocado, so I just like to use about half of this avocado. And using a large spoon, I'm going to scoop out one of the halves. And ideally, you want to cut this into a small dice, just like our salmon. So just using a sharp knife, I'll finely slice it. Okay, because this avocado is so soft, when you're mixing it in, you just want to be really gentle. So I like to start with the crème fraîche, and we'll add that to our beautiful salmon. I'll also add some dill. We'll just use a few of these sprigs, the rest we can use to garnish. And we'll just finely chop that. Okay, we can add that. You could also use some chives or chervil, works really nicely with raw salmon. All right, let's give this a stir and just fold everything together. Look at that beautiful colour of the salmon. And once that's completely combined, we can fold in our avocado. Okay. So just break up the pieces and just be quite gentle with it so we can still see the speckles of green. Okay, and now for the fun part, which is dressing our glasses. I've got 2 side plates that I like to use just to rest our martini glasses on, and some shredded iceberg lettuce. It's got a bit of a prawn cocktail vibe to it with the lettuce on the base, and the second one, about half of the way up is what we're after. And it's not just for the salmon to rest on. I really like the crunch of the iceberg lettuce with this. Okay, let's spoon this delicious mixture of salmon, avocado, crème fraîche, and we'll just top that up. And if you're looking for a simple, really elegant entree when you've got friends coming over, this is your go-to. And putting it in a martini glass like this seriously takes it to the next level. It looks restaurant quality, and you can see it's as simple as mixing a few beautiful fresh ingredients together, a few sprigs of that dill on top, and you've got yourself a pretty impressive salmon tartare cocktail.